Okay, we're here. And it's just water. Wait, hold on. Let me radio Herobrine real quick. Herobrine, come in? Yes, skeleton. I don't know why you sent me to this beach. Why did you send me here? Well, it's because I just wanted you to study someplace. You want me to study? Studying's my least favorite thing. It reminds me of school. And you know how much I don't like school. And plus, it's just water. Okay. I'll let you go then. Alright, then. What is that? Oh my god, that's a tsunami! I gotta go! Ah! Herobrine, there's a giant tsunami chasing me! Oh my god, okay, I'll alert the monsters. Meanwhile... Okay, Pigman, it's your turn now. Zombie, truth or dare? Dare. I dare you to... What was that? Yo, guys, I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Cranky 90s, I'm cranky 90s. Yo, get up high. Crank. I'm behind. Enderman, do something about this, bro. We're about to lose. I can't do anything, bro. He's freaking boxed me in. Oh, no. Bro, he killed me. Oh, come on. Does he have to do the L dance on me, bro? That's so cringe, bro. Oh, whatever, guys. Just ready up. We'll do another match. Enderman, yo, what are you doing? I don't know. I just came to see what you were doing. I'm just playing Fortnite squads with my friends. Nah, bro, you suck at Fortnite, bro. Bro, what are you talking about? 1v1 me, bro. Nah, bro, you see, I got this, thing, bro. I'm kind of busy right now, so can't. Stop the cap, buddy. Bro, what are you talking about, bro? I'm not capping at all. Then how come you said you don't want to 1v1? Bro, shut up. I'll show you a video of me cranking 90s. Look. How in the radioactive heebie-jeebies are you doing that, bro? Anyways, first of all, why do you have an iron golem on the floor? Second of all, what the hell was that? It's so nice up here. Gas, why are you so good at flying people on your head? Man, I don't know. I just do it for a living. Wait, you make money off of this? Yeah, well, mainly from Golden Zombie. He pays me like $100 every time I do it to him, but I've never seen you do it to him. Yeah, that's because he has this freaking whip Bugatti. Yeah, whatever. That's cool. Anyways, nothing bad should. Ow! Ah! Attention, monsters! There's a huge flood coming toward Monster City. You must all get to high ground. Right now! Wait, what? Well, luckily we're already at high ground. Wait, what? Guys. Well, I mean, we're already at high ground. Maybe we can get to higher ground. Like, what do you mean higher ground? What do you mean top of the tower? You're not saying, Okay, we should be safe up here. Yeah, we should be safe if the building is structure sturdy. He's right, if the building topples over, then we're all doomed. It shouldn't topple over. We're both using metal. Yeah, the building... Oh, that's not good. Yay, we're safe now.
Initiating gate closing sequence.
about to break. Let me just fix this real quick. That should work. Oh, okay, maybe that made that better. Oh no. Oh my god, guys, I'm not sure if we're gonna be safe up here.